In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track salaried employees in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record hours for salaried team members, review and approve their time, and use that information for reporting and compliance without affecting pay. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left navigation menu. Click My Team to open your list of employees. Here's an important checkpoint. Make sure the employee you're tracking is set as salaried in their profile. This pay type ensures their paycheck isn't calculated from hours worked, but their time will still be captured for project tracking, compliance, and internal reporting. If you don't see My Team, you might need manager or admin access, so check with your account administrator. Next, head back to the left navigation and click Time Entries. This is where you'll enter the hours for your salaried employee. Choose the appropriate week or pay period at the top so the hours are recorded in the correct time frame. Enter the employee's regular work hours, such as their standard schedule for each day of the week. If they work on different projects, you can allocate hours accordingly to help with job costing and utilization. Use the Notes field, if available, to capture context, like client names or non-billable tasks. Even though pay is fixed, detailed entries make your reports more accurate. If your company uses approvals, open the Approval section to review and approve submitted hours. Approvals help lock in the timesheet, signal that a manager has verified the entries, and prepare the data for payroll and reporting. Make sure employees submit their time before the cutoff, and that managers follow your internal approval timeline to keep everything on schedule. For visibility and analysis, managers can filter time entries by date range, employee, or project. Use these filters to spot trends, confirm coverage, and validate project allocations. This is especially helpful when preparing reports for leadership, auditing team utilization, or confirming that hours align with contracts and labor policies. Finally, remember that once hours are approved, they're recorded for project tracking, reporting, and compliance purposes, even though the employee's pay remains fixed. That means you get accurate insights into workloads, budgets, and audit trails without changing how salaried compensation is handled. That's it. Log in, confirm the employee is set as salaried, enter their regular hours, approve if required, and use filters for clean reporting. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for